Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really fun and easy ombre and nail stamp design. So I wanted to show you the polishes I'm using, and I'm using this neon yellow by Oily called Key Line Twist. I'm using this white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. That's my go-to white polish. And then I'm using this orange by China Glaze, and it's called Flip Flop Fantasy. Now, what I'm going to do is something completely different than my regular ombres. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the neon yellow onto the side of a clean makeup sponge, and I'm just going to color in the parts of the nails that I want the neon to be on. So as you can see, I'm doing the ombre in a angle. This is a really quick and easy way to do an ombre instead of doing the whole complete colors on your sponge. Do it in an angle. This is really quick and easy. You can do it any colors that you want. Then I'm going to use my Born Pretty BP-L020 nail plate, and I'm going to apply the orange polish I showed you in the beginning of the video onto my nail stamp design. Now I'm using regular nail polish. It's really quick and easy. Like I said, this is a really easy nail design that you can do with any colors. And I just thought that applying the neon orange just brought the whole design together. It just gives it such a fun summertime nail look. Once I was done applying the stamp onto my nails, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.